Everyone, I am Sai Khun Main and I'll be starting of our presentation today. Our project is titled Analysis, the Fitness and Dietary Habits of Kasetsart University Students. Next, as university students, our survey we will question about how student habit evolve from high school to university. We want to know how have fitness, diet, and sleep habit change from high school to university. And next part, and we distribute an online question and collect 43 response over 2 weeks. The question focus on four main behaviors: exercise habit, fitness related spending, fruit and vegetable intake, and sleep pattern. And next, have a key finding diet. At once, most students eat 2 to 3 meals per day. 2. Fruit and vegetable intake stay similar or slightly improve. 3. Many students do not actively follow a healthy diet. And 4. Only a few track their food consumption regularly.
And my name is Danita Frikaow. So first, let's talk about the survey asked the students to report their current and the past habit. So we cover the meals per day, hours of exercise per week, monthly fitness spending, serving of fruits and vegetables per day, sleep hours at night, perception like the importance of fitness. Next. For the methodology, so our correlation analysis, so we measure the strain of the relations between the high school and university behaviors. For the conditional probability, so we calculate the the chance by the students who had a good habits in high schools and still maintains those habits in the university. And the testing about the statistical, so we perform a goodness of fit test to check the data and follow a normal distribution. And we conduct the hypothesis testing to check the if mean height, weight, and BMI were significantly different from the standard values. Through this method, we could see not only trends but also whether the data made a certain statistical assumptions and for the further analysis. So go next. This is the graph that we have the three labels. The high school in the blue, the red one is a university, and the green one is a standard of the university. So we can see that the exercise increased slightly on average, and the sleep and food habits stay similar, but a bit more variation. And next. So this is a description of the statistic single data. So we have the height, the curly weight, the BMI, and the importance about the maintaining fitness. So this is the graph, example of the graph for the four single data. So go next.
Hi everyone, I am Sahatsawat Kanpai and I will explain about the pair data. Now this is the pair data of uh, the week that spent for exercise on average during the high school and university. And the right one is the spends on the fitness per month for high school and university. Next. Okay. And the per data of serving for fruits and vegetable per day on average during the high school and university. And the last one it is the pair of sleep per night. Unit is hours during the high school and university. Next, goodness of fit. Goodness of fit. We fit the height with normal, fit weight with normal, fit BMI with normal, and try to fit the fitness importance scale with uniform, but we reject the null hypothesis, so it is not the uniform. Next, the correlation exercise habits had a week to moderate positive correlation. It is the like 0.2797. The student who exercise more in high school tend to exercise more in university, but the relationship isn't that strong. The fruit and vegetable intake also had weak positive correlation, like the same as exercise habit, 0.2, suggesting some consistency, but again, it is not that strong. The fitness-related spends and the sleep duration, it is show that almost no correlation. Is like 0.0 something. We can say that it has no correlation at all. Next, this is the this is a correlation on exercise hour per week during high school and university. Next, let's see the money spent on fitness per month. Next, it is the example of the serving on fruits and vegetable per day on between high school and university. And next is the last one. It is about the sleep hour per night on high school and university pair. Next, now for conditional probabilities. If students exercise at least 4 hours per week in high school, there was a 97% chance that they still exercise at least 2 hours weekly at university as well. Students who ate at least 2 servings of fruit and vegetables daily in high school had an 89% probability of continuing that behavior in the university, and those who slept at least 8 hours in high school had a 91% chance of sleeping at least 7 hours during the university. To the statistic, the height, weight, and BMI data, as said, it's follow normal distribution based on goodness of fit test, as say on the first. The hypothesis test show that the average height was significantly higher than 160 centimeters. The average weight was significantly higher than 65 kilograms. However, the average BMI was not significantly different from 25. The students' rate fitness importance higher than expected random response show that they generally value the fitness high. This finding revealed that while healthy habits have some continuity, university life introduces challenges that affect health behaviors, especially in sleep and fitness spending behavior. To the next person.
And I'm Woraphan Sutthiboon, and I'll conclude our presentation. To summarize, our project found that positive habits formed during high school, like regular exercise and healthy eating, tend to carry over into university, although not perfectly. And sleep patterns and fitness related spending habits are heavily influenced by the changes and pressures of university life. And previously, from the statistical analysis, we learned our survey results mostly follow expected patterns like normal distributions for height and weight. And students do not randomly view fitness. Most of them consider it an important part of their life. And reflecting on this study, we realized that it's crucial to establish healthy habits early because they are more likely to continue. And also, universities might consider offering more health support programs to help students maintain positive behaviors under academic pressure. And lastly, conducting this project allows us to apply concepts like correlation, conditional probability, and hypothesis testing in real world analysis, not just in theory. And thank you for your attention, and we hope you found our findings interesting and valuable.